Oh my god. Oh. Oh.
Plan.
A hole for what? More digging.
She said they might have left. They might have left. I walked out there in a lobby room. Yes.
Bachi! Is that a knife? No! Give me.
You scared me.
All I'm saying is don't give me attitude.
Ginger! Look at me!
Didn't I just say leave it alone? Benji, stop eating that.
Hey, Connie, so good to see you.
Oh, so good to see you.
Oh my god.
Kiki getting your baby.
Kiki.
Your baby.
Yep, sure.
You want that? Too bad. Lauren, you sit back.
Drop it. Let me see.
Bagel. Bagel.
Hello, lady.
No.
Oh, you're so cute.
You're a good boy. You're a good boy. That's it. You're a good boy.
Hey, what you doing? Oh, thank you.
It's time to go off the bed.
Who the fuck is in bed with you? I see the cup.
Gigi, that's my man.
For you to be.
Okay.
Hello. Can I help you?
Out.
Why do you sit like that?
Mammy's falling asleep at the Twins game.
Look at me.
And then BAM! She got hit by a big ass truck. What?
Check this out, guys. I'm telling you right now. You better be.
Oh, wait, I need gloves.
Pull it off over his back.
Can I get an hour?
Don't even fucking talk to me.
What is going on over here?
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem?
Cool thing happened. Made this Dutch door, French door, whatever the hell it's called.
No. No. Hey! Hey! Don't show off.
What?
Some love through our words.
Just a little one. Ah! I said a little bite!
Oh my god!
Oh, owie, owie. What happened?
Good job, Whisper.
Can I get a woo?
Wow.
Oakley, come here. Come here.
I'm about to lock the darn door.